In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy games on MetaQuest Store. We'll walk through the process on your phone using the MetaQuest app, so you can go from finding a game to having it download to your headset in just a few taps. Start by opening the MetaQuest app on your mobile device. This is the companion app you use to manage your headset and library. Make sure you're signed in with the same account you use on your headset so your purchase shows up in the right place. Once the app is open, look along the bottom of the screen and tap the Store tab. This takes you to the main storefront where you can see featured titles, deals, and categories. From here, you can browse collections or use the search bar at the top to look up a specific game. Typing a few letters will surface suggestions quickly. When you find a game that interests you, tap it to open the product page. Take a moment to review the description, trailers, supported headsets, comfort rating, and play modes. It's also helpful to skim reviews and check the file size so you know how much storage it requires on your device. When you're ready to move forward, tap the button that shows the price, like $29.99, or tap Get if it's a free title. This button is your purchase trigger and it will bring up a confirmation screen. On that sheet, choose Continue to Purchase to proceed. Think of this as your final checkpoint to make sure you've selected the correct title. Next, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the purchase. If you've set up a store PIN for extra security, you'll be asked to enter it. Just type it in and confirm. After that, the app wraps up the transaction using the payment method already saved to your account and you're done. As soon as the purchase is confirmed, the game automatically begins downloading to your library. You can watch the progress from the app or from your headset. For the fastest start, keep your headset powered on and connected to Wi-Fi. If you don't see the download right away, give it a moment. It will queue and begin shortly as long as you're on the same account. And that's the whole process. Open the MetaQuest app, go to the store, find your game, tap the price or Get, choose, continue to purchase, complete the prompts, and let the download roll into your library. Enjoy exploring and have fun in your new world once the install finishes.